Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Hershey Park Month here on the channel. In this video, we are going to be checking out Hershey's Chocolate World, taking a look around the store, and doing the dark ride in here. So, without any more further ado, let's roll that intro. Here we are in the queue for the Hershey Chocolate Tour. Got a bunch of different murals on the walls and stuff. And yeah, it's just a very nice looking place. I will see you once we get deeper in. This is the view from the queue line. It really just gives you a sense of scale of the building. The whole queue takes place above the main floor, and really just it's kind of just a bunch of switchbacks with some information on the walls and these nice mirrors. Oh wow. See that it just started raining.
Is it raining?
Or something like that. I'm not sure exactly. Within the queue line in certain rooms you have little fun facts about the process of making chocolate and all sorts of other stuff about Hershey's and Hershey equivalents.
Safety. Please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Y'all ready?
We're ready. We're ready.
Bye, Ma.
Oh, look.
Hamburger.
It's dairy.
Supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Of Hershey's authenticity go hand in hand as smooth as silk.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Love Hershey's milk chocolate in special dollar box.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Let's be cute for a picture.
Everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1. Hershey's!
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Come on, quick, hit a move.
Buster me. Hershey's Chocolate World.
All this old Hershey.
No matter how far.
You're always
Hershey's chocolate. Hershey's chocolate.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step on the moving platform. And enjoy the
All right, so we just got off the dark ride, as you saw. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Very simple, very effective. Ma'am, how was the dark ride?
It was good. It was candy bars delicious. I liked it. It was adorable.
It's a lot of fun, just nice and simple. But it's good if, you know, it's raining outside or if you got a little bit of extra time, it's free to come in here.
Are you sure that?
Mom, yep. How was the ride for you?
I enjoyed it. It was very informative. I like learning how they make the chocolate.
Yeah, it's much better than learning how to make the hot dogs.
Whatever.
If you like hot dogs, do not look up how they make them. Do not.
You won't eat them anymore.
You will. But yeah, I'll probably show you a little bit more around and then end the video here. So, and then, well, end the video there. Yes, see you whenever I show you. All right, and there we go. We're done at the Hershey's Chocolate World. Mom, what did you think of that?
It was neat. I liked it. Way too many options though for candy, and that's a lot coming from me, someone who loves candy.
She's obsessed. Help me. But yeah, I mean, it was a really nice store, very nicely laid out, very well kept. They got the line for the like checkout was pretty long, but they kept it moving and was very efficient with it. Had like 16 different cash registers or something. But yeah, I liked it. It was fun. Let me get the grandparents' opinion. So, ma'am, what did you think of Hershey's Chocolate World?
I thought it
Dark
was
ride store, everything.
well, the store was too full of people, but they got every kind of chocolate you can eat. Every kind of candy bar.
Something you've never heard of.
And some things you never heard of. That's
Yeah.
I'll find out where you're
good.
All right, Grandma Deb, what did you think of Hershey's Chocolate World? Store, dark ride, whatever.
I liked it all. I thought it had a lot of different things. I think because of the rain, the store was super crowded.
Yes, it was way more crowded than it seemed like it normally was.
But I think there was a lot of things to look at, too. What did it say?
It's closed. The park is closed.
For the day?
Yes. All right. So that wraps up this other vlog. So I'll see you next week for another Hershey Park video. Peace out, guys.